Hi guys, happy Holi. Today we are going to do one of the best and the most liked recipes drank by everybody during Holi, that is Thandai. It's a quick, easy and a very loved recipe by one and all. So we'll start. We'll take 1 cup of milk. It's high fat, boiled and cooled down. We'll add a pinch of soft, a pinch of jaifal, a very small piece of black cardamom, 5 to 6 pieces of kali mirchi, a few strands of kesar, rose petals 8 to 10 grams, sugar 5 tablespoons, poppy seeds approximately 2 tablespoons, a few almonds 30 to 40 grams, we are going to make a nice paste out of this. You can see how thick milk and all the products have become. We take the balance milk, put it in a big bowl, add some more sugar to it, approximately 3 tablespoons. And the puree and the paste that we have made, we'll add it to this. Stir it well for approximately 3 to 4 minutes so that all the flavor that was pureed mix up with the remaining of the milk. At this point, if you want, you can add some ice. Our milk is cold, so we don't require that. You can let it rest for like 5 minutes. Our Thandai is rested for a good 10 minutes. Now you will strain it in another vessel with muslin cloth so that you don't get the poppy seeds in your mouth while drinking. The longer you keep the masala in the milk to brew, the more stronger your Thandai will become. That's why the time of 10 minutes is quite apt and perfect. Remove the cloth very carefully. We don't want the mixture to go into the Thandai again. The Thandai is ready, nicely brewed and ready to drink. You can add some pista and some almonds. Cheers guys, happy Holi.